Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. 10/20/2020. That's got a nice sound to it. Hey, it's our second day back on campus for in-person instruction. You all did amazing yesterday. Very nice job. Let's get this morning started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Then we're going to talk about our virtues for just a little bit. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So I want to compliment you all on your first day back. Middle school and fourth and fifth grade, I know we've been talking about habits of success, but I just want to talk about some school rules this week and how that ties in with the virtues. So first of all, I just wanted to remind you that when you follow the school rules, you are showing so many virtues: respect, cooperation, friendliness, kindness. This helps everybody out. Normally at the first week of school, we talk about all of our school rules, and we're going to do that again this year. But today, I just want to talk about two of our really important rules for 2020. So you did an amazing job wearing your masks yesterday, but I got two questions for you about masks to talk with your class. Number one, when do you wear your mask? And when can you take it off? Where do you put it when you take it off? And one more question, when do you need to use hand sanitizer? And when would it be better to wash your hands with soap and water? So talk about that with your class this morning. If you see me around the school later, you can let me know about that. When do you wear your mask? When do you take it off? Where do you put it when you take it off? And when's the right time to use hand sanitizer? And when's the right time to use soap? I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.